So I'm discussing about that how to promote your mobile apps. Suppose if I go to the Play Store, if coming to any Play Store, people asking one question is called how to advertise my mobile apps. So I'm coming to first time in market, how to promote my mobile apps. Suppose I'm coming to Uber Eat. So I'm selecting for Uber Eat app. So I can promote this app we're using for Google Play Store. So Google Play Store, you have to promote this app. The option call is Google AdWords. In Google AdWords, the first of all they're showing for individual conversion. There's totally 6, or we can go with the 5 option. Is a default. The option is called Universal App Campaign. If you promote any apps here, get your install and interaction for your app means recommended and remarketing. Install is the new user. Second will be interaction for the your app means recommend and remarketing. So you install an app if you're not using, so new use, so they can call recommended. Use my app for these offers. So first I'm clicking for campaign. They're going to wear universal app campaign. Here, once coming to universal app campaign, we can promoting for your app will be two various, Android and iOS. But I'm promoting for Google Play Store app, not for App Store app. Select for Android. Here is set by app name. The app name is called Uber Eat. Search here. Done. Now click for continue. So after continue, they go into the second process that is called app creation. First step, campaign name. Write on campaign name, Uber Eat, app install. Next one, always remember what is the fourth step of your app install. Why you're looking for app install? That is called first important, free delivery. Second one is fast food orders. No late delivery. And special coupon codes. Free delivery, fast food orders, and no late delivery, and special coupon codes. Here we can call as so coming to New Year, we call for New Year offer 2019. So here, so if you promote any apps, totally 4 description. Each description will be total 25 characters. So make a note. Each description make a description called 25 characters. Now here, after that, we can advertise your video. That is called people watch your app regarding 2 types. One is called image, second will be video. So I'm adding for video here, Uber Eats. So I'm searching, nothing is there. So I can go to Google, Uber Eats, video. So I'm selecting one video here. Wait for a second. So I'm take the video, paste it. Yeah. Here. Now the ad will be placed how many places? First of all, nothing here. First, where? On Google search. Where? On Google search. Second will be Google Display Network. Third will be on YouTube. Fourth will be Play Store. So first you can Play Store here. The Play Store will be like this. YouTube will be skip ad or non-skippable ad. When give the 5-second video, this is called non-skippable. When give the more than 5 second will be skip ad. Next one on display network. means which website is approved by Google AdSense, that will showing for Google AdSense website. Next one on Google search like this. So total display by the 4 ways on Google search, display network, on YouTube and Play Store. Please note on it. So after getting this, so we can using for total 20 images. The 20 image will be size will be like this. So any image will be promote on your app. That is called, they can certain sizes will be there for images. You can using only for that certain sizes of images. The size will be show here. Make it a note for your sizes in this. So that will be like this: 750 by 100, 750 by 200, 750 by 300, 240 by 400, 980 by 120, 930 by 180, 250 by 360. This size will be applicable by your image purpose. So next one, we can upload for HTML5 code, means that is called, we can create one template for your app promotion purpose, upload by your HTML5. This is done by developers, not for our task. Is it clear? And where you can target the app, the target app will be called here. So I'm target only for Hyderabad. Only for where? Hyderabad. So my target is only for Hyderabad. I'm selecting only for Hyderabad. So my target language is called English, but this app is available by the Telugu people also search. But my app language is Telugu English, but I'm promoting for 3 language people. Next, here Jet will be adding in this. So here I'm adding for 3 languages: English, Telugu, and Hindi. Now coming to budget type. Here you can spending per day budget, your wish. 500 start, end with the lakhs. So I can give by 550 rupees. Next one, your campaign optimization. I'm looking for install. So I'm going to for install value. Or else only for one will showing for install value. That is called CPV, cost per view. That is called, I'm targeted by the all users. Next one, each install how much your budget you are fixed. So what is my daily budget here? 550. 550. So here how much my per install budget? I give only for 50 paisa. How much? 50 paisa. I can done how many installs? The based on the 1100 install will be done by through my payment. Start date, end date. I'm adding for daily budget. My account has 2000 rupees. So how many days your budget will be continue? Maximum 3.5 days. Now click for save and continue. When confirmation time, you can check the each and everything: date, campaign budget, campaign optimize for install value, location is Hyderabad, language English, Telugu, Hindi, campaign goal is app promotion. For install charge will be 50 paisa. I'm adding only for test ideas 4, image 0, video will be 1, and HTML5 will be 0. So I'm not using for image and your HTML5 code. HTML5 is code. If it depend, you can use it. When using video, no need for that the HTML5. Images are based on requirement. You can add the 20 images if you require. If not required, no need for this. If you kind of any promotions, you can go the specific size. Now click for continue to campaign. When create campaign time, they're not showing for not eligible. Your ad campaign is wrong. They're showing for eligible. That is called correct. What the target will be? CPA, cost per action. That is called install value. They go get by the target CPA, cost per action or acquisition. So this is called create campaign for mobile apps for promoting Play Store, YouTube, Google Display Network, and Google Search Network.